Honorable Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, distinguished guests, women from around Fiji, especially from Ratuma, Rambi, Kioya, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. I'm really excited when I walked in, just seeing so many beautiful stalls and the craft that you are selling. It's amazing. And I'm just cursing myself, why wasn't I here in the last 2 days? Unfortunately, my work kept me away, but I'll try my level best to come back again this evening. After my meeting, which ends around 4:35, I hope this place is still open then. Okay, so I'm going to come back just to look at what all you are selling. I'm excited to be here because I will be presenting Fijian crafted licenses to the deserving recipients, but to also celebrate the 5th National Women's Expo. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Ministry for successfully organizing the National Women's Expo and for providing Fijian women artisans a platform. I have been informed that this is one event most of you look forward to. And it is again a gathering of all women artisans from all over Fiji. It's more like friendship. Don't you agree with me that you want to be here every year? Exactly, because you can exchange ideas, you meet your friends, you get motivated, you go back and you want to do things bigger and better for next year. And that's when I really thank Ministry for organizing such events and giving an opportunity for women to showcase their products. Ladies and gentlemen, it is because of your sheer determination to deliver quality products that so many of you are at this expo carrying the Fijian crafted brand. Through this expo, women entrepreneurs have the opportunity to connect with markets, expand their ventures, and create lasting relations with customers. And it is also an opportunity to raise awareness for small and micro enterprises. Once again, I thank the Ministry for inviting me to this expo to award these 76 artisans with the Fijian Crafted accreditation. The Fijian Made by Fijian campaign started in 2011, and the purpose was to encourage consumers and organizations to buy Fijian-made goods and services. The campaign provides a branding platform through labels such as Fijian Organic, Fijian Crafted, Fijian Packed, Fijian Made, Fijian Product, Fijian Grown, Fijian Sewn, Fijian Assembled, and Fijian Designed. The Fijian-made logo easily distinguishes Fiji-made products and services from those that are imported into the country. So when you purchase a Fijian-made product or service, you're actually helping to create job and promote growth. Your purchases ensure that the money spent in Fiji stays in Fiji. You are reinvesting in the economy and the community. Ladies and gentlemen, since 2016, at the National Women's Expo alone, as the Permanent Secretary mentioned, 176 women have been included in the Fijian-made family. This year, we're adding another 76. Out of the 76 new license holders, 54 will be awarded the Fijian Crafted emblem, 9 Fijian Sewn emblem, 7 Fijian Crafted and Sewn emblem, 3 Fijian Crafted and Designed emblem, 2 Fijian Designed, and 1 Fijian Crafted, Made and Designed emblem. This shows the range of skills and knowledge you all have. I congratulate each and every one of you. For those receiving this license today, the Fijian Crafted emblem would mean more exposure to your products. There is possibility that your products can be presented in meetings and functions. These includes expos or symposiums organized and coordinated by the government, whether it is nationally, regionally, or internationally. With tourism being the largest revenue earner for Fiji, with thousands of international travelers visiting Fiji each year, it is artisans like yourselves who have a substantial role in providing our visitors with Fiji-made products. And you've been doing that very well, and I encourage you to come up with more products. The Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism will ensure the craftsmanship of our women are promoted widely in the tourism sector through participation at major tourism events and promotions both overseas and locally. Having said that, I would like to emphasize the importance of consistency in ensuring that the quality of your products is maintained at all times. When you have quality crafts, then you can ensure a consistent and sustainable market. You know how consumers are, they always look for new products in the market. So you need to change your game all the time. And I think a forum like this will definitely motivate you to come up with new products. I also encourage you to get your business formally registered. This is very, very important. Why it is important? Because my ministry is going to consolidate all small and micro enterprises. We will be forming a central coordinating center at ministry. So we will be the central coordinating agency for all micro, small and medium enterprises, which simply means that once you are registered, you go on our database and all kinds of trainings and assistance can be provided to you. So if you are not formally registered, you're not on our database. So this is where you will benefit if you register your business and register yourselves with our ministry. So ladies and gentlemen, now to the wholesale and retail sector. I urge the retail sector to be strong advocates of our Fijian-made accredited products. We do not wish to see Fijian-made logo placed on imported products or imitations in retail outlets. Copying the emblem or using it on unregistered products can lead to fines and prosecutions under the Industry Emblem Act. Unfortunately, this is what we normally see in retail outlets. They'll put Fiji-made products, but there are many other products which may not be all Fijian-made. And if we do find traders doing that, then we can impose fines on them. And I encourage you all to report such matter to Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism, because we are very genuine in our effort to promote Fijian-made products, and we would like to continue doing that. So ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government continues to recognize that women are critical to economic growth and community stability. Women are likely to save and contribute to the broader livelihood of the community. In promoting women's economic empowerment, the Fijian government has been investing heavily in promoting micro-business opportunities across Fiji. The government has and will continue assisting roadside and satellite vendors and market vendors by providing proper hygiene and convenient infrastructure. It will continue to construct, replace and redesign municipal, satellite and roadside markets in the suburbs of towns that are densely populated. And we know that 50% of the market vendors are women. And again, I would like to acknowledge UN Women for supporting our women vendors at municipal markets. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, I once again congratulate all the 76 crafted license recipients, and I wish you all the best in your future business undertakings. Thank you, and Vinaka Vakalevu.
And Dania Grace. Vini Nambote Karikaritu, Linda Joyce, Bulo Rotana Sangale, Elenani Nasau, Sharon Sheila, Pasepata Lembula, Benina Tumbodava, Liz Creation Lide Tamalinadika,